Okay, so now let's start more deep dive into the reporting part, and we'll see how can we create a Allure report. What is Allure report? Allure report is a different extension report we have. Like in when we run the basic Playwright HTML, if you see your framework here, you will see the simple Playwright HTML. Like here, if I reveal this here, I click on this index.html, you will see that separate report, HTML report, where we have a detailed decent information about all the test cases, pass, fail, flaky test cases, and the list of test cases. When I go click on the tests, you can see the detailed steps. Okay, this is a default report from the we can say Playwright side. But let's say if you want to implement Allure report over there, how can we do that? So Playwright provides basic HTML report that we have just seen, but in real world project, we use advanced reporting tools like Allure to get the detailed insights and screenshot logs and test history every time. So how can we do that? The first step, you have to install this command, which is npm install -d Allure Playwright. So it's saying we are going to use Playwright into this framework. So when I hit this command, you just open your terminal, pass this command, and I already have this, so it will not take much time for me, and it's installed. The second command you need to install is npm install global -g and Allure command line to access the Allure from your command line. Okay, that is also I just enter npm install -g and Allure command line, and it's going to generate for me. Now I have to make some changes into my Playwright configuration TS, which is available here. So let me copy this thing, and if I open the framework back and the installation is done, now I can go to the playwright config.js, and here if you search for the reporting part, okay, here we have a reporter. So what I can do, I can pass this thing here, but it's getting duplicate, so I am commenting it out. So now the default report is changed into a list, and here we are passing the second parameter array as a Allure. So this reporter array containing currently two array to sub array, which is first one is a list and second is a Allure Playwright, and these are the separate object. So now we don't need to do much here. Once I edit this, it will understand like these things that I'm going to use. Okay, and after that we have some command like generate to open the Allure report, and next we can move for the probably like in a next video we'll see how can we attach the screenshots into it. So that's it, we don't need to do anything else to implement the Allure report. Now let me rerun the test cases. So I'm running the test cases that we have into our dd-login.test that we are using from so long. So we have one test here, but it might be run with different three browsers. Okay, so I hit enter, and 3 test is running using one worker. So it's loading. So it's trying to enter the username, password, hit the login button, and the second test will run now with different user. Like we were using, this is using data raven, so it might be reading data from the JSON file. So this is the third time execution, and this is the last test that we are running. And yeah, now when this execution is done, you will see some changes into our framework. Okay, what are those changes? The first change is you can see we have a Allure result folder here, which have information of each test cases, like first login with this user, second login with this user, third login with this user. What is this information? It is UID, unique ID of the test cases, name of the test cases, history of the test cases. Okay, now we doesn't have any result right here, right? So what we can do, we can pass this command npx allure command line generate Allure result clean. So by this command, what we will do, we will generate a new result. So it is npx allure command line generate Allure result. When I hit enter, when I enter this command and hit the enter option, you will see we have a new folder here which is named as a Allure report. Now we have a complete HTML folder here that contains different information like assets of it, data of it, history, and different options. You don't need to worry about it. We just need to check the index file or the HTML file in order to run that. Now what is my requirement? We have a result, we have a history. Now I just want to open it. So to open it, we have to pass the command npx allure command line, allure command line open allure report. So this is the main command, allure open allure report. So when I enter this, hit the enter, it will start the server internally, and you can see the beautiful interface over here, and this is user friendly. We have a different information here, like on which browser the execution has been done. If I go to the overview, so here we have test details. If I open the first test case, it's over here. If I run the second test case, it will be there, third test case. So now we don't have any history, and